Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a wonderful Easter, celebrating with family and friends if you were able. We had a wonderful time, lots of laughter, which is always good medicine. I am here with a design team project for Tsunami Rose. And what I'd like to do is a little introductory video today because I've had appointments, I've had family obligations, and helping my sister. She's finally got her car back. Yay. So things should get back to normal. Been doing some appointments with my mom, taking her for labs and getting her COVID shot. And so, yeah. My husband's grandma passed away, so he's out of town, and it's been a lot going on. So I haven't been in the video mode, but I'm getting back to it. Daisy invited me to be on her design team, and I am thrilled and excited, and I've got lots of goodies to show you. So what I want to make is some tattered and torn journals, and I don't know if you'll remember that. I have done them before, inspired by Jackie over at Crafty Pantaloons. Hi, Jackie. But anyway, I am going to use 3 file folders for this journal, and I just love this. This comes out so fabulous, and it's so easy. And so I'm going to make 3 at a time, mainly because the kit I'm going to be using has so much in it. So if you want to play along, we're going to need 3 file folders, any cut because we're cutting that off. And then this is the Charming Fragments collection. There are 5 parts available to it, I believe. Excuse me. I believe there is the basic journal kit, there's an add-on, there's an ephemera pack, and then there's a TN kit and an add-on for that. And then I have just printed the journal pages here, regular size. I haven't done the TN. So fun. And if you want to do any collaging whatsoever, this is a good go-to. Because it doesn't really matter what you do to it, it's going to look fabulous. Daisy's already put in the work to make these beautiful. So I'm going to go through the collection and show you what I've got, and then I'm going to come back and try to make another video. I probably won't be uploading tomorrow, but hopefully Thursday we'll be back on track. But I wanted to check in with you guys and just let you know what's going on. So I'm just going to flip through these pages. Just fabulous. Lots of roses, blue butterflies. Look at the yellow bird. There's perfume, olive oil. You name it, it's in this kit. French advertisements, French ladies. Let's see, that's tooth powder here. Bingo cards. There's some more distill. I think that must be perfume of, yeah, something. Look at Victor Jr. gramophone advertisement. I mean, it's like Where's Waldo when you're looking at these because there's so much going on. So fun. And excuse me, so I'm going to have a blast putting these together. Now, I've just printed them out the way they come when you download them. I haven't done I don't think I did borderless on these. Some of them have a little white edge and some don't, but that's okay because we're going to be ripping that off. So if your printer doesn't print borderless, don't worry about it. We're going to be tearing the edges of everything. This is going to be a little bit grungy. So these papers are really fun. Dearborn Dairy 1 pint, so this is like milk label. And postcards and flowers and, you know, vintage ephemera, book pages, music. This one will go with pretty much anything you want to do. You could use this to supplement. or, you know, I mean, it stands on its own, obviously, but I'm just saying there's so much going on that it will coordinate with pretty much anything else as well. Blue chips. Now, I remember collecting blue chip stamps when I was a kid. Never heard of Eagle stamps, but we had S&H green stamps, we had blue chip, and something else. There was another one. It looked like a wash and return, so that's a milk cap. It looks like a vintage letter. Fun. This reminded me of a plate a little bit. I have blue willow dishes. That's kind of what it reminded me of when I first saw it. Oh man, that just takes me back to when I was 5 and I used to say Saul. I saw everything, and my mom would correct me. It's not Saul, it's Saw. Oh goodness. Vanilla. Little deck of cards there. Yeah, just a lot of fun stuff. Cornstarch, Bavarian Brewery, like sugar, oats. This looks like a grocery store ad of some sort. I hope the color is coming through for you guys. This kit is very vibrant. Look at that fan. Beautiful. Well, here's some other stamps. Can't really see what this something. Smith plan? Smith? No. Regal. Regal Stations Premium Plan. That's what that says. I need a little magnifying glass to read anymore. And there's, these look like a vintage wallpaper. Really pretty. And, of course, writing area there. There's some lace, cottage rose, Woolworths advertisement. This looks like JCPenney's or Sears or something. Fun. There's some 1-cent stamps. Now, see, this one printed borderless, so I'm not sure if this was one of the covers or if it was the add-on kit or not. And then there's this one. There's 3 that have lines on them, and that would be a fun to ride on. Okay, so then we get to the ephemera collection, and this has an envelope here. Looks like there's those pint labels and a card that probably fits inside this envelope. There are 2 of these. Oh, I love that color blue. Very nice, very vintage, so pretty. It says olive oil soft soap. Okay, then this one has some words across here. And this looks like a playing card designs. Oh, aren't those beautiful? I would love to play canasta with those. And some stamps, some looks like library cards, bingo cards. This one says sidelatine, look at powders. I don't know what that is. Yeah, a lot of these things, you know, they just don't exist anymore. Here's a page that has prices and tags. Very fun. Some little labels. This one has some corner pockets. I love this because I do the corner pockets in these journals, and I will be tearing this edge. In fact, I think I probably need to print out another one of these because I'm going to need 3 pockets. Well, 2 pockets for each, so I need at least 1 more of those printed out. And then I think this is not on the image. This is my printer didn't push the paper out correctly. So I do need to reprint that page apparently. So this is cinnamon gel, flavoring extracts. Fun stuff. Love this tag right here. That's so cool. And then this one says Lottie Brothers soaps. Isn't that a nice picture? The little guy on the boat out there. Pretty. And let's see, looks like another, well, it's a receipt of some sort. And then that looks like a tag. 3 for $25. I don't think you can buy anything 3 for $25 anymore. So fun. And here's another. Particular people cut their own hair. Well, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. And then there's these, looks like shoes on top of these advertisements, and then the roses, and this one's just kind of coffee dyed and distressed. That's the word I'm looking for. Then there's some receipts. And then I have, well, that's what I've printed out from the Charming Fragments. That's what it is, Charming Fragments. I even wrote it down. You'd think I would have been able to remember. Charming Fragments, and that's Tsunami Rose, and I will have the link to that in the description. And then I have this stack of coffee dyed paper that I've printed. I printed a ton of it out. This is by Leanna Scrap, and so I'm going to be using that up because, as I mentioned before, for April I'm going to be using some of the stuff I have here. And that's where these file folders came from. I have about an inch left of file folders, and this box goes back probably 15 years that it's been sitting here. Who knew I would be making journals out of it? I surely didn't. When I bought it, I believe I bought these. It could be even longer because I homeschooled all three of my kids. And my youngest, my son, is graduating this year. So I've put in, let's see, this is his 13th year, 17 years. Or, well, yeah, this is my 18th year of homeschooling. So, yeah, I'm about done. And I don't need any more file folders. I've got everything already. Everything's digitized now, so I really don't even need those hard files. But yeah, so we're going to use up some file folders. We're going to use up some of this coffee dyed paper I've got printed out, and we are going to use the Charming Fragments by Tsunami Rose. So I hope you guys will join me in making these three journals. I love putting these together. They're fast and fun, and that's why I think I can do 3. I think I can do 3. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, take care, guys. And if I don't see you tomorrow, I will see you on Thursday. Bye now.